Welcome guys, I'm 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 and today we are in Carretera Sur, cerca de Monte Tabor, Managua, Nicaragua. If you're looking for a package deal, a beautiful corner lot, 2,400 square meters with two houses partially furnished for $850,000, this is your video. Stay tuned because you and I we're going to learn about this excellent deal that is coming to the market right now. I love that entrance. Look at that entrance with that beautiful features of the landscaping with these columns surrounded by this nice grass. So now we're coming into the main sala, which you can tell has a perfect dimensions and everything has the perfect, configuration as well. The colors, the sofa, and then the high ceilings is something that really took my attention because it's like going back to those colonial ranch homes. The sala has excellent connection between you and the outdoor terrace that we're going to look into a minute. But in the meantime, you can feel this openly, seamless view from here to the dining. Also has a perfect size for 8 people here. Beautiful windows, mirrors like this round concept. Everything corresponds with the tone of the color and the wood style. Again, also another thing you can tell is how they selected the right color of the tiles. Very classic. So here is where you're definitely gonna to entertain and host your friends and family. Gonna have a great time to the outdoor terrace. Like this. Outdoor, we have these cool doors, wide open, two sides. It's like French doors. Another set of sofa with a nice center table. Divisions between also using the plants. The landscaping is something you're gonna love. And guess what? They have another sala right here. So if you have a big party, a cocktail party, a reunion, this is the perfect spot. Walk into here, we have another setup table. It's actually a nice piece of glass, square, with the center. Look at this beautiful piece of stone with some colors. Actually, it's a beautiful yellow and it's square, perfectly selected. I like it because it allows you to enjoy the nice piece that is supporting this glass, very thick. So we have 6 chairs, catching all the breeze, and with this window, if you have a reunion and you want to have a breakfast right here, easy. Boom, there you go. I like the way how they design the house because it feels like a vacationer home and as well as your permanent resident. The high ceilings with these decorations with the extra landscaping has a great combination. Definitely the house presents itself nicely, well done, with excellent taste. The location of the property is also another big plus because we are in Carretera Sur, that it can connects to you to 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪, and also Casares Beach. So look at this huge terrace with these columns, with this beautiful cover, eco-friendly. Actually, the 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪, the how we say it in Espanol, I don't know in English right now, so you please help me out. How do you call this in English? So anyway, now we have these palms, and another thing you're gonna see outdoor in this nice garden is the center fountains with this shape, beautiful. Another part of the house that I also like is when you have an outdoor garden like this one, you can play with that. Look at these classic chairs. You here, sitting, and your coffee and the morning, and you can hear some birds flying around. No, that's not a bird. this is the kitchen. I love it. I like the way how they follow up the classic style with this beautiful H, like some texture. And you can tell it's feel like in a classic colonial. You know what? This is a very good concept because it's in a modern home with that taste going back to the ranch homes and very colonial as well. When you see these videos with colonial houses, they always use this kind of tiles mixing with the wood, classic color, and very spacious with an island over here and all the uppers and everything set up very nicely. One of the things you can tell is the cross ventilation coming from the backyard, actually terraced, and then you have the backyard. And then they designed an extra feature, which is a high ceiling with these 3 lights, and you have enough room for all the equipment and appliances as well.
Another living area. This is actually the pre-living area before the 3 bedrooms and one office, which is busy right now. Right here, we have a full bath side, nicely decorated with the same color of the tiles and all the classic layouts and features. And then this beautiful family room, I would call it the family room. You have a TV, your furniture where you put all your personal stuff, your frames, your pictures, everything. Make you feel like in home. It's very cozy space because this one connects with all the rooms. All the rooms are on one side of the house, which is great. So coming here, we have one of the 3 bedrooms, and each of them has its own bathrooms, air conditioning, everything. So ready to go. This one in particular, I like it. Probably it's gonna be my favorite one because if you are a kid, you wanna feel your privacy. Windows overlooking the rest of the property right there. And look at this, so much space. A walk-in closet. Actually, it's a good size closet. You know, this is a boy room, so it's not that organized, but it's very cool space. Roomy, your desk, and of course, your private bathroom, which as you can tell, nicely done. All the rooms, all their bathrooms, everything's following exactly the same taste with design and classic concept. I like it. Then walking here, we get to the next one. Yes, so the next one is a little slightly bigger than the other one. Also comes with his closet and private bathrooms, air conditioned. Every unit here is climatized by a split units. As you know in other videos, it's individually set in each room. In this case, each room has its own bathroom as well the family room. Now this door has something special because this door will connect to you to the main master suite, which is this one here. Look at this. Bigger, of course. Good size bed. Extra room here for your potter. Extra chairs like this, very classic, beautiful. And one more thing, when you come to here, this is your closet, but it's not a closet. It's actually an extra room just for sitting, maybe working, having extra room for more storage. And maybe you just want to have your privacy. You close the door like this. And then, boom, it's just for a room to relax and why not to read a book. Now, this one, of course, it has a massive, beautiful main bathroom here where the layout is perfect. I like they let a section here with your shower and the toilet, and it looks like those Rome, Greece, stylish with all those features on the wall with a nice tile on it. You're gonna love this bathroom, definitely. A door here that connects to the double sink and your mirror, and then right after you have a huge walk-in closet for her and for him. So this is the main suite. Roomy space, a lot extra room, comfortable, and also with air conditioning with this beautiful dome, a ceiling fan right in the center to light this place.
Look at this amazing entrance. Coming from the gate door, you're gonna see an open land right here, which originally was thought to do another home. And when I'm saying another home, it's because this is a package deal. There are 2 houses for 1 price. And look the entrance with that beautiful feature, those columns surrounded by the landscaping. Right here, check this. When you come with your car, you take to the left and you have a carport with that nice structure, pillars, tiles like colonial homes, and it's always under the sun, under the roof. Boom, you protect your car. You can actually fit 2 cars easily. And then right after that, coming from the gate door, you have extra units, which is 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. This is like a foyer, which also provide another extra feature, which is a compression section. That's how the architect called this place. It's a compression. So what's the idea is to create a wow factor. And this is a wow factor. 3 elements always provide balance in your composition. And this, you can tell they definitely did it with good taste and good thought about how to select the best furniture with the best selections, color, texture, a nice glass square, 4 chairs here, and then walking through this nice frame with these beautiful pieces of wood, you got extra living space. So this door will connect to you to the half bath. Look at this, Betty, check it out. Beautiful. I like the tiles. Look at the mirror, frame it with the same tiles and a green and like a gray color. And then again, the toilet, so perfect. Every door you see, solid wood. Beautiful room. Love the layout. Look at the layout. Massive room here. Extra space over there where you have these doors that are no slide. No, they just close this way. It looks like it. No, they are actually slides. So here, what they did is they let this space open so you catch all the breeze and going through. So definitely these homes feel very cool and fresh. Catching the best part of the breeze, using those open spaces and also slide doors when you don't want more wind, closet, and you have your air conditioning. Now, the bathrooms is something else about this one. I like it. Okay guys, so we are in a beautiful property in a package deal. 2 houses. A lot size is 2,400 square meter, 600 square meter home, main house, 360 square meter, second home, about. All the description of these 2 properties and the beautiful piece of land, I'm gonna give it to you at the description below. It's located in Carretera Sur, asking price $850,000, fully furnished. Here you are, my telephone number and email, and you can contact me. Say, Carlos, that's exactly what I'm looking. I live close to Carretera Sur. My job, my business, my corporation, everything that I do is close to that area, and I'm looking for my family, huge homes And why not? I'm gonna bring my mother-in-law, I'm gonna bring my brother, I'm gonna bring another member of the family, and they're looking to have another home, so that's perfect. Or if you just wanna do it for business, then you can have an extra unit to rent out, and also the main house for your family. So don't forget, call me and let me know exactly how to do an appointment with you, and I can tell you step by step how you can make an offer for this beautiful package.